Guys, we got news coming out in 7 minutes. Jolt's job openings, ISM manufacturing. So we'll see what that does to the market here in about 6 minutes. Ideally, I would want to see price push up above here to then go short down to these lows. Something like that, but we'll have to see what news does. News could push us in any which way, so we have to wait for news first, and then we will be jumping in. Alright guys, we just entered on the 1 minute. Gonna be targeting, I want to see this get hit. We had this fair value gap paired with breaker block. Gonna be targeting these highs for a 1 to 2. I'll move stops to break even after this high, I think, just to keep risk mitigated. Alright guys, I'm gonna be moving my stop to, we'll move it to break even. And then risk-free trade today. See what happens here. Alright guys, as you can see, volume really died out once we came just above those highs. Getting a push down now. See what happens here. While this plays out, I'm going to talk over the trade. So as I said previously, I wanted to see price come up, sweep out these highs, and then move lower. We never swept out these highs. We just kind of chopped around here. We had bullish news come out, and price just kept moving down. Swept out the low, so that made me pretty bullish on the day. We, sweep out all these lows, fill in this 15-minute fair value gap. And then I see breaker structure to the upside on the 1 minute, which left behind this fair value gap paired with a breaker block. I went long off of that, and I'm kind of targeting these highs. TP1 smashed, or only TP smashed. Let's go over what happened. So originally, as I said, I thought shorts were going to be the move today. I thought price was going to come up, sweep out these highs, and move lower. However, what do we see? Market opens. We're waiting for news. We're starting to draw towards these equal lows down here. News comes out bullish. We sweep out these lows. So I'm like, okay, news was bullish. We sweep out equal lows. There's no real reason for us to go any lower. We fill in this 15-minute fair value gap entirely. We're getting reactions out. I scale into the 1 minute. What do I see? We have a 1 minute breaker structure. We have a fair value gap paired with a breaker block. We tap into it. I go long. Stops below the fair value gap. We hit TP1. Since I was trading on ES, not the micros, just the minis today, so I only had one contract. I didn't really want to be risking more than that, so I had to close everything out at TP1, which kind of sucks because we just ran to the upside. I missed out on like a 1 to 7, which is fine. We still hit TP, still hyped, good profit today. I did move stop to break even, or not really break even, but I ended up, once we came above, we went above this blue line here, I moved my stop to under this low just to mitigate risk a little bit, because yesterday Um, I got so close to TP and then I got stopped out. So, um, not that I was worried that it was going to come back down, just wanted to try something new and remove some risk. But we never actually ended up getting stopped out. We came down a little and then we ran up, which was awesome. So, pretty good trade today. Unfortunate we didn't have more TPs to hit, but regardless, good trade. Happy with it. I will see you guys tomorrow for the rest of the week.